Oh my gosh. You know how Thermomix has amazing recipes, right? Cookidoo. Still, every so often there's that recipe that hits you, surprises you, and you're like, what the heck is this? This is amazing. And yes, we have wow moments all the time, but wow times 10, this is one of those. The Beet Hummus recipe. I am obsessed. I already shared it with my peers. They are obsessed as well. So I really had to do this video for you. Are you ready to see the steps? They're so easy and it's so good. Stay with me, but give me a second. I'm busy here, okay? Hi, my name is Diana, the Dummy Cook, and today I'm going to show you the Beet Hummus recipe. We're gonna make it together. It's gonna be really fast, and oh my gosh. In my phone, I already chose on Cookidoo that I want to make the beet hummus. It's waiting for me here. It says preparation 10 minutes. I think it's less. That's going to be our time putting the ingredients in here, and total 20 minutes. It wants me to take the lid off and to add walnuts, 2.5 ounces. All right. Here we go, checked. And now we need sesame seeds, 1/2 ounce. Okay, 1/2 ounce of sesame seeds, it's a lot of sesame seeds. Alrighty, let's go. And thank you for checking yourself off Thermomix. It knows that I reached the quantity. Okay, next. 10 minutes, 250 Fahrenheit at a speed 1. It's going to be moving it like a spoon. See you in 10. All right, we are back. Set mixing bowl aside and allow to cool 15 minutes. You see, we're barely involved in this recipe. Let's set it aside and it needs to cool off for 15 minutes. Actually, let me put the timer. I have a timer right here and I'm going to choose 10 and 5. That's 15 minutes. And it's going to ring on my phone. See you now. Okay, my phone and the Thermomix are calling me both at the same time. And here we are, timer's over. We go back to the recipe. Let's continue and we can go to next. We're going to grind. Okay, well, let me show you what we had. So we had been toasting the walnuts and the sesame seeds, and now we're going to grind them. Okay. And yes, we're going to go next. We're going to scrape down the sides. Starts smelling good. It's a nutty flavor. Right, so we're going to bring the sides down. I believe it's going to do it again. We're going to blend for 8 seconds. We're going to go next, scrape down again. You cannot see a big difference because, you know, it's just grinding and blending. I believe this is the last time we do this part. Next, that is the last blend. 8 seconds again. And we're going to continue adding ingredients. Perfect. Remove the lid. We have the nuts there. I'm just gonna bring them down one more time because that way the ingredients will fall on it. We're going to add cooked beets. Now, I was just making a video about the blade cover and peeler. It's right here. And I was demonstrating how to peel potatoes, beets, ginger, and garlic. So these are the beets that I was peeling during that video. Then I went to a recipe. Let me show you right here on my homepage. Then I went to this recipe, which is slow cooked beets. And that recipe had the peeling again, just in case I didn't do it, and the slow cooking. If you already have beets that are peeled and cooked, and actually Costco has them, I love those too, then just go ahead and put those, right? But I just wanted to remind you that Thermomix can do all of that for you. So let's go back to our recipe, and yes, we're going to add the beets. 10.5 ounces. I might be a little under, let's see, 10 ounces. It's okay, I don't want to peel and cook more beets. Okay, that one. Cream cheese, we need 3 ounces. I cut it in pieces. 3 ounces it is. Garlic clove. This is actually from that video too. We peeled it with the peeler. And you can do like 1 batch per week, right? Get it over with and you pay way less because you don't have to buy your garlic peeled. Then we have stale bread, 1 ounce. Ground cumin, we need 1/8. That is so little. Lemon juice, 1/2 ounce. I like squeezing it fresh. Let's do it. Oops, much more. Hey, you were a juicy one, huh? It's okay. And salt, 1/4, which is also very tiny. There you go. And ground pepper, just 2 pinches. Next, I think this is gonna be it. Let's see, we're gonna mix a couple times and that's it. Mix 15 seconds at a speed 7. Scrape down the sides of the mixing bowl. Let's see, whoa, this color is amazing. Look at this, it's gorgeous. Can you believe it? This is going to be a dip on your table. Okay, so we're going to get from the top, we're gonna get all the little corners. We put it down here, now that you've seen what I'm doing. I love beets so much. If you don't love beets, then this is not your video. but there are so many other dips that are amazing. I just discovered this one recently, so I had to show you. All right, now we're going to mix for another 15 seconds. All right, and now check and adjust seasoning. Okay, so we're done. Oh my goodness. Again, it looks like before. Oh my gosh, so good. You will be thinking, hummus without chickpeas? Well, this recipe is called like that. Transfer to a bowl. So here we have it again. Let me put it in this bowl because it had beets anyway, so I'm not even gonna go and get another. The easiest way is to bring everything down first. I'm in love with this color. Once you have everything on the bottom, you go clockwise and you help it come outside, just like that. I will continue later. Right now, I'm just going to show you this, but you can see I have a lot more in here. Yes, I have a lot. Let me put this back. I will take this part as well, so no waste. Let's finish. And let's look at the tips, and we get information about the roasting or the steaming, that we can serve it with bread or assorted, sliced or whole raw vegetables. Let's say celery, right? This will be perfect. Oops. And let's try this amazing dip. Okay, how would I scrape this? With a piece of bread, of course. I am horrible at design. Do you know that the spatula has this design so you never touch the table? Look, I am not making a mess. So, not a beautiful design. I can put a few of these like this. Choosh, choosh, party. But look at that color, and you cannot believe the taste. So if you have a Thermomix, absolutely recommend it. The Beet Hummus. There are so many other hummus options, dip options. Every time someone invites me to a party, they're waiting for my dip, for whatever plate I'm going to bring, because it's always amazing, right? And what modes did we use? A lot. I actually wrote them here. Toast, grind, blend, blend, mix, and mix. That's what it did in this recipe. In other recipes is kneading or cooking. So good. Or steaming. But those are all the things that it did. And if you count the time that we were involved, it says there 10 minutes. I don't even think it was 5. Please tell me in the comments if you tried it. I'm about to try it right now. Let's see. Yum. So good. Honey, surprise! He loves it too. I hope that you learned something new today. If you did, please give me a like. Subscribe to my channel so you can see more recipes. And if you need a Thermomix in your life, you know what to do. Email me right here or choose my name in the shopping cart. Diana Legisima at your service. I will be there for you during your Thermomix journey. Thank you.